Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Rika Sriwanda Putri. Now I want to present to you a research article with the title A Case Study of Language Impairment, such as Stuttering, a Psycholinguistic Approach, conducted by Dewi Ike Nuryani, Bambang Wibisono, and Haida Sargip. So, according to Sakanti 2019, in human life, verbal communication is known as an important part, but however, there are some people who have limitation in conveying verbal language, like such as stuttering. So according to the Stuttering Foundation by Fadilah 2021, 70 million people worldwide suffer from stuttering, and men are 4 times more likely to stutter. So men is more have changed to stutter than the woman. And what is language impairment? So language impairment refers to difficulties in acquiring and using language due to deficit in one or more elements necessary for language development. It's kind of same like as language disorder. Uh, and one of the language impairment is stuttering. So stuttering or stutter is speech fluency disorder that occurs as a result of feelings of very high worry or anxiety when talking to the opponent's speech. So the person finds it difficult to express what he wants to say to his interlocutor. So it's kind of same like expressive language disorder, but it's different, but it's kind of the same. And according to Hikmah 2022, always stuttering have difficult pronouncing a word or sentence when they want to speak. So some of the characteristic of people with stuttering like first extend the sound of a word such as ibu, then the repetition of a sound or syllable, for example, ma, ma, mama, and next having pauses or holding back a word that cannot be spoken at all. And then interjection, for example, eh, eh, I will go. And the last one is circumlocution or barriers to speaking, like example, ah, papa. And the methodology of this research use descriptive qualitative design with the research subject Mr. A.G. Norman Intung Curah Dami Bondowoso is Jap. So Mr. Age is a pseudonym who still stuttering in his adulthood. The result and the findings of the study. First, the researchers mentioned the forms of the stuttering that Mr. Ages have. First is extending sound. You can see the example that I provide in this PPT. The researcher asked Mr. AG first. Mr. AG, kamu sudah bilang Masmu kalau pergi sama kita. Then Mr. AG answered with extending iya in his words. So this data shows that Mr. AG extend the sound when he start to speaking, and after he achieved success in his first words, then his pattern becomes smoother. And next is repetition. You can read by yourself the example I provide in this forms of stuttering. That Mr. Ages often repeat the sound like E, S, B, and ya. When the researcher talks about his capability to operate the WhatsApp application, Mr. AG turns panics because Mr. AG cannot write and read. So his stuttering becomes worse by saying, saya ya yai sering WA-an sama cewek saya, Mbak. And then we are having pauses. Already having pauses. So researcher asks to Mr. AG, ponakanmu sekolah di mana sih? And Mr. AG paused about 5 seconds. And then answer, gak tahu Mbak. So, in this conversation, when Mr. AG pauses his utterance, his facial expression turns, his lip hard to open, his eyes blink, and his head shakes. From the data, it can be seen that Mr. AG confused about the question because he doesn't know the answer. It indicates that he is panicked while he paused for 5 seconds. And then we have interjection here. This is the example. And Mr. AG again and again paused about 2 seconds in this conversation. From this conversation, it can be seen that Mr. AG insert the sound eh, eh, eh when he wants to ask about something that he likes. When he insert a voice, his face changes, but his lips are a bit hard to open but not to tense. And next is circumlocution. This is the example that I gave to you. And this is happen when a starter feels panic so much that he cannot produce the words which exist in his mind. So from this study, the researchers found that circumlocution appears to in subject utterance. It happens when Mr. AG feels very confused about how to tell the chronology of an event. He told about the accident that occurred in front of the Taman Sari gas station, but the interlocutor was confused to listen to his explanation. Then the interlocutor asked Mr. AG to repeat the story again. That's when Mr. AG faced tense. His mouth was difficult to open, neck muscle tightened, and in the end, Mr. AG gave up on telling stories and changed the topic. And beside the forms of the stuttering that Mr. Aegis have, uh, there is a factor that the researcher found in Mr. Aegis. So from the observation, uh, in-depth or observation and interviews with family and co-workers, it was found that stuttering experienced by Mr. AG is a genetic factor. Why? Because it was found that his father also stuttered, but not as much as Mr. Aegis. Mr. Aegis. His father stuttering, but not as much as Mr. AG. And in addition, this can happen because of exacerbated by the presence of neurological disorders. First, because of Mr. AG currently suffers from epilepsy caused by nerve damage in the brain due to seizures as a child. And the second one, Mr. Aegis has a stuttering language disorder caused by damage to the language regulating nerves. There is 5 symptoms of stuttering experienced by Mr. AG. Like first, eyes blink a lot, trembling on the lips, face looks tense, twitching of facial muscles, and the last one had shaking slightly. And for the psychological condition, stuttering can cause psychological effects in some bird. Uh, from the observation from the interview, the researcher concludes that Mr. AG's stuttering makes him feel inferior. Mr. AG can even mention that he did not want to go to school because he felt insecure. He often got bullied by his friends. His friend always imitated him, and he often fought with his friends because of it. Then, uh, finally, Mr. AG decided to go out of the school. And the treatment for this condition, um, the researcher found that there is a unique thing in the case of Mr. AG because when he meets new people, his stuttering will be much reduced and even tend to be invincible. For the example, uh, the first time he met the researcher's brother-in-law, it was very surprising that Mr. A.G. spoke fluently and calmly. But after he was familiar with the researcher's brother-in-law, Mr. A.G. started to speak uh, stuttering again. This shows that he has a strong effort to hide his stutter in order to make a good impression on the other person. So we can conclude that stuttering can be reduced by his own thoughts. So for the conclusion of this research article is study examines the stuttering case of an adult man referred to as Mr. AG. Using a psycholinguistic approach, it aims to describe his forms of stuttering, identify its causes, and assess its psychological impact. Mr. AG exhibits all forms of stuttering: repetition, sound extension, pauses, interjection, and circumlocution, depending on his emotional state. Stuttering is caused by genetic factors and neurological disorders, significantly affecting his self-esteem. And the study highlights the importance of creating a supportive environment for individuals with stuttering to prevent feelings of inferiority. It stresses that stuttering is neither a curse nor a disgrace, you're urging against isolation and bullying. Then the findings are beneficial for teachers to better support students with stuttering and for society to understand that stuttering can be treated. The study focuses on an adult male in Petung, Bondowoso, East Java and suggests future research on stuttering in adult women as it is less commonly discussed. So I think that's all about this research article with the title Language Impairment such as Stuttering. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye bye.